More migrant workers in Singapore are banking online as thousands self-isolate during the coronavirus outbreak. The number of bank accounts being set up for them in April has more than doubled when compared to a year ago. And the increase follows a Manpower Ministry direction for employers to pay salaries electronically.
Hi, I am from Bangladesh. My name is Rana MD Sohail. I work at construction site.
30-year-old Rana has a family of 5 depending on him. When asked to self-isolate, he was concerned how to send money to them. But a bank account was soon created after MOM's advisory, and this helped him access digital banking services.
Last time I sent money to Agrani Bank near Mustafa, but now I send to PSB Jolly to my house because I now cannot go out my dormitory, but I can send money.
Local bank POSB, which banks about 70% of migrant workers in Singapore, or 500,000 of them, has worked with MOM to simplify the opening of bank accounts. It set up 35,000 accounts for migrant workers in the 2 weeks following MOM's advisory. And it also provides SMS banking as an option.
When MOM issued a advisory that all workers in dormitories have to have bank accounts. We have seen accounts opened. We have seen increase in digital services like checking balances. We have seen increased activities in topping up prepaid balances. And we've seen incredible increases in remittance as well.
The bank saw 41,000 accounts set up for migrant workers last month, up from 16,000 in April last year. But even with more of them going online for remittance and topping up of prepaid cards, it's still about 1 in 5 migrant workers who use digital banking, says local bank OCBC.
The number of accounts set up by migrant workers has remained relatively stable over the past 5 years. We've increased digital touchpoints from our digital ambassador to digital concierge at some branches. We have noticed an increasing trend of migrant workers using our digital banking services.
And a challenge remains.
To do SMS banking and digital banking, we require phone numbers. As you're aware, there are a lot of duplicate phone numbers, especially with this prepaid, because foreign workers come and go.
But banks are still reaching out. POSB has a hotline in 7 languages, which migrant workers can call for help. It's also sent brochures to 43 dormitories. OCBC has also provided online guides. And migrant workers like Rana say they're glad for these efforts. That since they'll need to rely on digital means while waiting their time out.